Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare, guys. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. If you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below. Please like and share and follow my channel, guys. I love you guys so much. You guys know I'm the number one, the champion, guys. Yes, today we're making this whitening lotion for a client, 10 kg. Yes, you can see I advised this my customer. I said, get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. Let's put inside this 10 liters lotion, this strong whitening lotion. Because she said she wanted to be very strong whitening. I told her, get 2 liters, okay, of the Secret White Strong Whitening and serum. You can see I was weighing it for her, showing her everything. You guys know mommy Kira, I'm the number one, the champion. If you want to whiten your skin, you want to produce a work, you're a stay-at-home mom, you want to endeavor into skincare business, don't bother yourself. Contact mommy Kira. I will produce for you. Tell me what you want. I will produce what you want that will suit your client's skin. No white, no green vein, no white dot, nothing of such. You know, I'm showing her that I've poured the serum inside the lotion. You understand? That's 5 liters down there is the porcelain. I've already produced porcelain for her, 5 liters at the back, because she want to repackage it. She want to be the one to bottle it. See it, I was showing her the porcelain strong whitening body oil. This body oil, you can use it on your skin like that, and is a magical oil. Okay, now, and you can see I'm showing her everything, showing her how everything works. You can see it now. I've helped her to put it in 5 liters. Okay, you can see, yes, you can see it. And this is the porcelain oil, guys. Please like and share my video, subscribe. And she also got the Glutathione strong whitening tube. She bought 100 pieces and was just counting it for her. That is 10 inside one pack. You can see it. I was showing her. You guys know mommy Kira, I'm very honest, I'm truthful. I always speak the truth to my clients. I always do video to show them everything, because I'm the number one, the champion. She's going to get what in the US, she's going to repackage it. She also got 100 pieces of the Secret White Strong Whitening concentrate because she wants to start selling. I've told you guys, but see, this product works magical. I don't want to hear that mommy Kira, my product is not working. If I produce for a client, it does not work. Stop saying that. Get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Put them inside your production. But this client here, she got 100 pieces. She is reselling at the in the USA. Okay, me, I'm showing her a lotion that I've produced for her. She also want to put all this in her counter and start selling. What are you waiting for? You must not do everything. You must not produce. Contact mommy Kira. I'm the number one, the champion. I will produce for you. Tell me what you want. If it's fast whitening, I will do it. Okay, I'll show you now. Hello beautiful, this is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that want to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the number one, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay, you can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producer. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125